Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and select Apps and Notifications. Now tap on Notifications section and then select See All from last 7 days. Finally, you can select Most Recent at the top and click on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Last but not least, click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just select one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!